What about the whole idea of the left splintering? And I say the left splintering, it's more Sinn Féin splintering, like you said earlier on, away from the other left parties, because this isn't the first thing, even since the election, that we've seen kind of disagreements. For example, Labour were very critical of Sinn Féin in terms of their stance on migration. Is it too soon, I think, to read into these things? Are we looking at it with a whole new lens now because of the Left Alliance with Catherine Connolly and their backing of Catherine Connolly? You know, is this something that they can sustain, or are these really small issues that really won't make a massive difference when it comes to government formation?
Well, I think if you look to the next election, there are kind of two schools of thought, that it will probably be a Sinn Féin and the left coalition, or it could be a Sinn Féin and Fianna Fáil coalition, possibly with, someone else there. And I think the more big policies that are discussed and debated, the more Sinn Féin in some ways looks more aligned with Fianna Fáil than it might look aligned with some of the other parties of the left. And we know that how People for Profit, Solidarity, Social Democrats have been ideologically, very ideologically unflexible, let's say, when it comes to forming governments, that they have their positions and they don't really want to deviate from those positions. So it just does all highlight the fact that negotiating a programme for government amongst the parties of the left on these sort of issues like fox hunting and the sort of tradition versus the sort of urban, and also on immigration, migration policy is another issue.